Today we're going to solve the problem creating the pull-out parts from the two-point perspective block and push it in like a window cell or tunnel, and at the same time combining other structures to the existing structure. Okay, so in two-point perspective, make sure that you got 2 points, vanishing point 1 and 2, horizon line, eye level, and then once you draw the vertical lines, start connecting it to the vanishing point. If you already know how this works, then you don't have to go all the way. Just stop where you think your structure will stop. So I don't have to go all the way because I'm going to probably stop the structure over here. Right? Same thing over here. I try to create a parallel line from the center line that you first created, and two lines collided, so that's a corner, and one is already connected to the vanishing point 1, so now it's time to connect it to the vanishing point 2, and same thing with here. Two lines collided, that's defined as a corner, and then okay, so we have a two-point perspective structure here. Next thing you want to do is, let's see if we can create something that's going in like a window. Think of it as the same structure, but this time what do? We are just push in. And let's see if I can end the structure around there. And what you can do is, this is the corner that we need to use to go the other section. And then we have a structure that's going in, right? If I throw something in here, it's going to come out over there, right? But if I turn this into the window, all you have to do is just decide how thick this window frame will be. Let's say if I go this much, all you have to do is from that point, you draw the vertical lines down, and then this will be the window. Okay. Now, how do you do the how to do the pop-up? You are actually creating another structure, two-point perspective structure. That's all you are doing, and then it looks like it's all over there because it's hovering on the space there. Okay, I parallel to that continuously, and then again always connected to the vanishing point, so no line should be standing alone without connected to the vanishing point. Then connect this one to there, and then we have a parts that's popping out from the structure. Let's say I want to create a structure that's blocking this part. I want to create another structure here, and then all you have to do is again decide where you want the structure to be. Let's say I want there. Then next part is again do the same thing, connect the corner to the vanishing point, connect the vanishing point, and let's say this is the parts that's going to touch there. Then all you have to do is just breaking it down there, and then stops. Good. And then you continue from that corner, and then decide where you want this structure to end in here. And let's say I want the structure to end there. Okay, and then this one just continues. and then we have a structure that's connected to that. Okay, so if I erase this part, it should be easier to get it. Okay. What if I want to create something that's behind that's coming in? Then the same process. It's just there are things that you have to remember. So this one, a little bit reversed process. Right. And then, right, so I'm going to create a center here, and then I want to go out this much, so it's going behind, so that means you don't need this line anymore, right? And then see how much length you want to do. About that much. Then you can create a vertical line. Then going from there. And then you create a bottom part. Right? Then this structure is going behind. So same thing applies to any places that you want to put the structure or edit the structure to. Okay, so let me just make it a little bit more clear so you can see better. So in the beginning, you don't have to use dark lines. Use the lighter lines until you are clear on everything, and then you can just redraw. So in that way, you can make less mistake. Good.